Guard your time and be careful to invest in it in the things that matter and make a difference, including your teammates. Your time is one of your most valuable and limited resources. How you invest it will determine the extent of your growth and success. What do you do during your free time?
I go in my room and just get my popcorn and iPad and watch some YouTube.
What's your favorite YouTuber?
Infinite, as in Kalis too.
What's your favorite video they've done?
I like the scary ones.
While being careful to consider others and collaborating on the broader impacts of your actions, take responsibility for making things happen somehow, some way. Respond to every situation by looking for solutions rather than explaining why it can't be done. Be resourceful and show invited. Be courageous enough to consider new and unconventional ways. Build the road when necessary. What does finding the way mean to you?
It means find the solution to what your problem is.
What are some of your problems?
My brother's mean to me.
How do you find a way to fix that?
No, because they're stronger than me.
Why is it important to hear other people's opinions?
So that if they're going through something, you know and you can try to fix it and help them.